Hi guys, Lizzie here, back with a brand new video, and I just bought me a new refrigerator. It is small, but who cares? It's a refrigerator. Open it. Three.
Whoa. Here.
Look at that color. Oh my gosh. Look at that beautiful, beautiful color.
What is this?
Oh my god.
Look.
Look at it. It matches. I love that. And it matches my microwave. Let me show you guys. Obviously, I don't have my microwave set up yet, but look at this. It's literally the same color, and it's like a vintage one, just like my refrigerator.
Pretty.
Freezer. And fridge.
I like the freezer better.
Yeah.
About you?
I like it all.